Now I have to simulate this particular, algorithm to calculate this. Yes.
Yes.
I have to do what? I have to do this. Okay. So first word I'll add, then next word I'll add till all the 4 words get exhausted, and then I'll do what? I'll take left sum and right sum and calculate the complement it and find the checksum. So I'm trying to do this. You got the idea? So this is find the checksum. Assuming that second and third data are received at the receiving end as A, B, C, E. So second one is this. Now at receiver, you have calculated checksum from this plus this plus this plus this. You have calculated the checksum. Whatever number I have got, that is sent along with these 4 numbers. Are you people understanding?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
These 4 numbers plus checksum, I am sending it to receiver. Now this method says Now the second question, it is saying that instead of receiving this number, I have received ABCE. ABCE. Yes. And third number, it is 2BC is there. It is received as 2BA. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And then I have to estimate whether this received message will be accepted by the receiver. Yes.
Yes.
So I have to write the answer also, like whether this will be accepted or not. So let us try solving this. Okay. So here I have written for your convenience, A is 10, B is 11, and C is 12, D is 13, and E is 14, and F is 15. Everybody can see this?
Yes, sir.
On the screen, can you see everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll be taking 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, this first number is 3, 4, 5, 6, and A, B, C, C I have written, and 2, B, C. We are adding them as it is, and E, 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 E as it is, plus I have taken initial checksum as 0, 0, 0. Yes. So how much it will be? 6 plus C. 6 plus C means 12. 6 plus 12 is how much?
80.
18 plus 12
30,
plus E 14.
44.
44.
sir.
Okay, 44 divided by 16 you make. How many times it goes?
2.
2 times. What is the remainder?
12.
12, which is nothing but C. So I have got this C, and that 2 becomes carry. Have you understood how I have got this 2 and how I have got this C?
Yes.
Everyone, what I have done is 6.
Yes, sir.
6 plus C is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18 plus 12. That is 30 plus 14. So 30 plus 14 is 44.
44.
44 divided by 16. So 2 times only it will go. So 2 times means that becomes carry. That comes over here. And what is the remainder? 44 minus 32. 32. So how much I'll be getting? That as 12. 12 I have written here. Have you understood the sum?
Yes, sir.
Now similarly I'll add this 2 plus 5. This becomes 7. Yes.
Sir.
Carry was there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is nothing but this, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 12, 19 plus 11. So 30 plus how much? 30 plus?
44.
It is again
44.
44. So I'll be getting the same C and 2 here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 plus 4, 6 plus B. B is how much?
17.
11. 17 plus 2, 19. 19
19
plus 19 plus 14.
29,
33.
33, sir.
33 divided by 16. So I'll be getting 2 carry
And one remainder.
and
One
1 remainder.
Yeah.
Remainder I have written here. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Remainder I have written here. Now next is 2 plus 3, 5 plus A, 10.
15,
15 plus 14,
29.
29, sir.
29. How many times it will go?
One.
16.
One
Once.
times.
One time.
Sir,
What is the remainder?
13.
Remainder is how much?
E.
13, sir.
13, sir.
13. So this is nothing but 13 means D, and I get 1 carry. Yes.
Yes, sir.
One time it goes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
29 divided by 16. 29 divided by 16, I get 1 carry. So this one I have, folded, and I am adding it here to whatever partial sum I have got. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this becomes 12 plus 1, 13. So I have written D. So this is my checksum value. You got the idea? This is my checksum value. What is the checksum? D1 CD. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here at receiving end, what I am doing is I am taking this number 3456 ABCC as it is, 3456 as it is, then ABCC as it is, then 02BC as it is, then 4 times E as it is, plus the checksum. Checksum what I have calculated is 2E32. 2E32. Have you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then you add normally now. What is that I'll be getting? Yes, 6 plus how much?
12.
18 plus 14. 18 plus 14.
18 plus 12.
This is 18. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 14, 44 plus 2, 46. You got the idea? 46. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this 46 divided by 16. How many times it goes?
2 times.
That 2 becomes carry here. And what is the remainder here? 46 minus 32.
14.
What is 46 minus 32?
14.
14.
I have written E here. Have you understood? I have written E here.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Now you add this. So 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12, 19 plus 11. 19 plus 11, 30. 30, 44 plus 3. 44 plus 3, how much?
47.
47.
47.
So divided by 32. Divided by 16.
15.
2. So carry comes here as 2. And what is the remainder?
15.
15. I have written F here. You see, 15 is the remainder I have written. Similarly, if I add, I'll be getting all F. I have got a carry here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll fold this carry over here. It all becomes F. Now you do what is complement this F. So I'll be getting all zeros.
Zeros.
Because F is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. When you convert that into, one's complement, I got all zeros. And hence I'll accept all these 4 numbers. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All these 4 numbers means this will be accepted, this will be accepted, this will be accepted, and this will be accepted. Now, the second question it says here, B part. Instead of ABCC, the received number is ABCE. And the third number is 2BC, 02BC. Instead of that, I have received 02BA. Yes. And what is my checksum? Checksum is received as 2E32. So this number and this number has changed. What is the number? ABC. And I have received it as E. So this number is received as E. And 02BC has been received as 02BA. Have you understood? This
Yes,
has been
sir.
received as this. Now, checksum is this only. You replace it, this particular thing, C with, C with E. This C you replace with E, and this C you replace with A. You got the idea? And you perform this addition as usual, and you have to tell me whether this will be accepted or rejected.
Accepted.
You calculate. So at receiving time, this has changed to E, this has changed to A, and you perform the sum. You take this sum, this entire thing, this checksum is as it is. Now you have to tell me whether this data will be accepted or rejected. Now I have error in two positions. Here in this second case, I have error in two positions. Instead of C, I am getting E, and instead of C here, I am getting A. So error is in two positions. Here I am getting E, and here I am getting A.
Will
You
be
got the idea?
accepted, sir.
Hmm?
Accepted.
Why it is
Will be
accepted?
Because
Same
it will
thing.
come
Sum
42,
is
sir.
same.
It is 2-bit error. You
Yeah.
got the idea? Two position errors. You got the idea? Since it is our checksums generally are able to calculate 1-bit error or odd number of errors, 3-bit or 5-bit.
Even, yeah.
Have you understood? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the calculation. Sorry, this is the calculation. See here, you got the idea. Now I have gone for this E, and you can see here. Yes. So A has been changed, and this I can say F, all F. So this will be accepted, but wrong data word has been accepted. You got the idea? So this is the problem of this method. This is the problem of this method. So but in examination, you have to write. So this example was once asked for 10 full marks. What is the full marks? That means this was for 5 marks. This was for 5 marks. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to do this calculation yourself. Second question, you note down. Have you understood the method of checksum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Written. So later you calculate. I'll be going to next part. Can I proceed?
Yes,
excuse
sir.
me, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second, sir. One second.
Sir,
Please write it.
sir, you were talking about the even and odd error. Sir, can you please repeat it again, sir?
See here, when there is no error, it is accepted as it is. Okay.
At
Okay.
C and A at the last position, there will be two errors.
Yeah. Now, if a single error is there, assuming that only this got changed, remaining everything remains same. With this checksum, you will find that you got the idea. This one, even if it is folded, it becomes F plus E. It will become at the receiving end. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So E means it won't be 0. It won't be 0. So that means one position error, it is always caught.
No, Anand. Yeah, actually,
Yes,
they
sir.
had a
Sir.
Understood that?
Yes, sir.
When error occurred in one position, it was caught, because here when you add all these 1, 2, 3, 4, you got the idea, and this number FFFD, you got the idea. So when you add 1 at this place, you will be getting FFD and E here. So it will be caught. Sum is equal to non-zero. It will be. Sum is
Yeah,
equal
at
to
least
non-zero.
70 people
So it
joined
will
that.
be caught. Means one position error will be caught. But now here in this scenario, we have got error here, error here. but still the data is being accepted because I am getting finally F, 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 F. When I once complement it, I'll be getting 0, 0, 0. So though I have received erroneous data,
And they even had this COVID.
you got the idea? Still it will be accepted. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is,
Thank you.
generally even number of errors will not be caught by the system. Odd numbers of errors will be easily caught by the system. Okay.
They
Yes,
were
sir.
telling that in a very short time, you'll have.
Now, there are two other methods. One is called Fletcher method, and another method is called, Adler method. This is Fletcher method, Adler method. So I'll be discussing only Fletcher method today. Adler you can do yourself because it's very similar. Here, it is done for what I meant to say. Fletcher method is done for 8-bit. And Adler method is done for 16-bit. That's the only difference. Have you understood? So Adler method is done for 16 bits. So, and this is done for 8 bits. So what is the method algorithm to calculate 8-bit is left and right number of bits. I am taking it as 0. You got the idea? So L is what? 8 bits of the left 8 bits of checksum. R is nothing but right 8 bits of the checksum. Have you understood? Yes or no? I am initializing.
Sir.
And I am taking DI is nothing but 8 bits of data. DI is nothing but 8 bits of data. Yes? 8 bits of data means 4 bits plus 4 bits. Total 8 bits of data will come. Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now what is happening is I'll be coming here. I'll be checking more data. Initially R right is 0, 0. Here I'll be checking whether what I meant to say, more data is there. Assuming that the numbers are given, some 5 numbers are given. So here I'll be taking the first, 8-bit data. I'll be adding it to right part. So right part was 0 plus first data is the first data. Assuming that this first data was equal to, say 45. 45 mod 256, how much it will be?
That's
How will you define mod operation?
0, sir.
0.
45.
45, sir.
45 itself. See, A mod B, if this is the operation A mod B, so A mod B tells that if A is less than equal to B, it is the result of this mod operation is A itself. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if A is greater than or equal to B, what is that? If A mod B, A is greater than equal to B, in that case, I will divide A divided by B and remainder will be taken here. Remainder of this is taken here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Sorry.
Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So when I add all these things and then whatever R I have got, now I'll take L plus R. Suppose L was 45. So this L was initially 0. So 0 plus 45 mod 256, it will be again. So L is 45, right is 45, it comes over here. I'll be taking next data and go on adding. At the end, checksum is taken as L into 256 plus R. This is left and right value of the checksum. You got the idea? So this is 8-bit plus 8-bit. So checksum is always 16-bit. Data is given in 8-bit form. Data is given in 8-bit form, but the checksum will be 16-bit. Have you understood this scenario?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಇದು ಓದೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡು.
Yes. Come again, please. I am unable to hear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Okay. Now I'll solve this example by using Adler method. You got the idea? This is Adler method. Now Adler method is the same thing, but here right is taken as 1. Right is taken as 1 and left is taken as 0. Yes? And here left and right are 16 bits. So here checksum will be 32 bits instead of, so this is nothing but how much is 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. So total 32 bit checksum is created, and here instead of 256, I'll have to take the mod as 65,521. Have you understood? So Fletcher method was only meant for 8 bits. And in this method, it is the data will be 16-bit item. Data will be 16-bit item. You got the idea? Yes or no? It's the same thing. There is nothing. And checksum formula is L into 65, what I'm saying, 1,536 plus R. This is how you have written the program. This is how you have written the program.